We're having crazy torrential downpours. We're having crazy torrential downpours. We're just outside the eye of the storm. I'm here with Ruthie. Ruthie,
Way up close. I'm about to die.
we're at a category 3 with winds up to 100 miles per hour. Did you see that piece of paper? Did you see that piece of paper go flying?
No, I didn't. I wasn't watching. I was trying to pretend
We could be in danger of a flash flood. The waters are coming up to my rain boots. And if you want to buy rain boots, buy some yellow rain boots that come up to your knees. Even being so close to the eye of the storm, people are evacuating here. Let me advise you to evacuate. And while you evacuate, there have been many electrical outages in the past half hour, and quite a few people have stocked up on all. You might experience gas lines. That wasn't in there. I'm throwing it in. So now we have about 3 families on this block riding out the storm. These people, can you see them on top of the roof? Riding out the storm. Amazing. And everyone else just evacuated. That wasn't in there either. I just put it in. I better follow them because this place is going to get hit hard. This is...
Just never mind.
This is my name.
See? Oh my God, I'm done.
Oh, shout. Oh, shout.
Shoot, it's a shoot. Oh crap.
Duck. Tree.
The tree.
Okay.